Listen, if you have more than 5 credit cards, you're probably doing this all the way wrong. Most people are stacking cards, hurting their personal credit scores, and missing out on real money. In this video, I'm breaking down the only 5 credit cards that you actually need to help you build your credit fast, get high limits, earn real cash back, and to also travel for free. And number 4 on the list, most people don't even know exists, and it can get you huge credit limits. Stay until the end because I'm going to also show you the best order to apply in. Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Now, come on, y'all. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's clear something up. You do not need 10 credit cards, 15 credit cards, or a wallet full of random credit cards. That's how most people mess up their credit scores and get into credit card debt as well. You only need 5 types of credit cards: a beginner card, a cashback card, a travel card, a high limit relationship card, a business card, and that is literally it. Anything outside of that is extra. And to be honest, you probably need to get rid of it. If your credit score is not perfect, this is where you need to start. Capital One Platinum Secured or Quicksilver Secured card. If you're wondering why this card, easy approval even with bad credit. They do report to all 3 major credit bureaus, and you can upgrade to unsecured. Another great thing about this credit card is it builds your credit profile fast. Now, the credit score needed for these credit cards are typically around 500 up to 650 range, or sometimes lower. Now, they do have a credit limit that starts low, so roughly at $200 or all the way up to $500, but you can definitely grow this over time. Now, if you are new here or if you're someone that's already been here for quite some time, you already know that I have had Capital One, and I still currently do, from many years ago when I had bad credit. And with the Capital One Platinum credit card, it definitely helped me build my credit profile. Now, another great thing about the Capital One and Quicksilver card is that you can pre-qualify for these cards without a hard inquiry. So you can get an approval whether or not if this card is going to be a great fit for you or if you can get approved for it before actually taking a hard hit on your credit profile. Now, with the Platinum card, they do offer a $0 annual fee. And again, this is a great card for anyone that is looking to build credit with responsible use. Now, the next one is the Quicksilver Secured Rewards card. Now, this card is also good for anyone that is trying to build their credit. With this card, they have a $0 annual fee, 1.5% cashback on every purchase, build credit with responsible use, $200 refundable minimum deposit. Now, here's a quick tip strategy that I want to share with you all. Use 10 up to 30% utilization. Pay on time every single month if you can without missing any kind of payment. After that, Capital One will surely be gladly to upgrade you after 3 to 6 months of showing consistent payments on time. Now, credit card number 2 will be Cashback Money Card. Now, that's your credit is building. You need a card that actually pays you. Next card on the list is Discover It Cashback. This card is fire for beginners and users. Now with Discover It, they do have some really great benefits that do come with this card. So you would get 5% cash back on rotating category, cash back match your first year, plus double your money, no fee. So if you spend $500 cashback, they match it. So then that means you get $1,000. Now here's a quick strategy that I want to share with you guys. Use this card for gas, groceries, or everyday spending. Then make sure to pay it off. It is so important for you to pay that card off every month if you can. Card number 3, travel/flex card. Now let's go ahead and level up, cousins. Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. This is where you're getting flights, hotel, travel perks, and they do offer some really great benefits. So you can get 2 times up to 5 times points on travel. Also, sign up bonus. You can get between $600 up to $1,000 value. They also do offer travel protection. Now, the credit score needed for this card is at a 6 plus 80 credit score and above. I do and heavily do recommend. Now, here's a great strategy that I want to share with you all. Use for travel plus dining, stacking point, redeem smart, not cash. Travel gives more value. Card number 4, high limit relationship card. This is one of the most people don't even know. Navy Federal Credit Union cards. Oh my God. If you know me, you know I love Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. So I would recommend their more rewards. Their platinum and flagship credit card. With Navy Federal Credit Union, it is very powerful, high limits. And I mean between 10,000 up to 50,000. Easy limit increases, internal scoring system. You don't need perfect credit. You need a good relationship with Navy Federal. Here's some quick, good strategies I want to share with you all. Open a checking account. Build a good relationship with them. Then after you build that relationship, apply after activity. This is how people jump from 500 limits all the way up to $20,000 limits, or if not more. This is where you separate yourself. American Express Blue Business Cash. Why you need this? Doesn't always report to personal credit, builds business credit, and they offer 2% cash back. You can apply with your EIN number or your social security number. Also, side hustles count. Used for business, keep utilization low. Build separate profiles. Do not apply randomly. Here's the correct order. Capital One builds credit. Discover equals cashback. Chase has travel. Navy Federal has high limit. Amex Business separates credit from your personal credit to your business credit. If you follow this exact setup, you can go from bad credit to $20,000 limits, travel rewards, cashback income without needing 10 credit cards to get there. If you think that this video helped you, drop credit in the comments, like this video, and subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to fix your credit fast, comment that below as well, and I'll go ahead and send you some dispute letters that can actually help you build your credit. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!